Thakkar Bapa. Amritlal Vitaldas Thakkar, popularly known as Thakkar Bapa, was born in a middle-class family in Bhavnagar in the state of Gujarat. He received his first schooling for benevolence and service to humanity from his father. He got his licentiate in civil engineering from Pune in 1890. He worked as an engineer in Porbandar and later went out of India to serve in laying the first railway track in Uganda, Africa. He served as a chief engineer in Sangli state for some time and then was employed in Bombay municipality as an engineer. It was here he saw for the first time the miserable conditions of those scavengers who had to dispose the waste of the whole town of Bombay. He was shocked to see the filthy colonies where the sweepers had to live and made a firm resolve to devote the rest of his life to alleviate the sufferings of these people. To take up social work, he resigned from this job. He became a member of Servants of India Society, founded by Gopalakrishna Gokhale, and advocated the rights of untouchables and tribals. Thakkar Bapa visited forests, hilly areas, and deserts with his mission of upliftment of tribal and Harijans. In 1922, he founded the Bhil Seva Mandal. Later, he became secretary of Harijan Sevak Sangh, founded by Mahatma Gandhi in 1932. The Bharatiya Adim Jati Sevak Sangh was founded on 24th October 1948 on his initiative. When Bharatiya constitution was in the process, he visited the remotest and the most difficult parts of Bharat and conducted probe into the situation of tribal and Harijan people. He added valuable inputs in the process of constitution. Mahatma Gandhi would call him Bapa. Thakkar Bapa spent 35 years of his life in service of tribal and Harijans.